Welcome to another week of trading. So this is the analysis for today. First, in the 4 hour, we see this rally up, and we are reaching the area above the 75% of the retracement, and also touching 90%, and this fair value gap right here. So remember that areas like this with fair value gaps and consecutive candles of the same color are good areas where the price can try to reach. So in this area, I can think of going short. If I go to a 1 hour, we see the same thing, a fair value gap here, then price touching that area, and then we can expect a retracement. If I go to the 15 minutes, here you can see that price close below these two fair value gaps, and now price is retracing. So I expect this price to touch this inversion fair value gap or this fair value gap, and then try to go short and target this fair value gap right here, and target at least this 50% of this movement right here. And if I go to the 1 minute, you can see that I have a shift in market structure, then a retracement of the 75% approximately, and then we went down, and now I'm expecting a retracement to this area right here to try to go down and take this these lows right here, this sells liquidity with relative equal lows, which is the top of this fair value gap here in the 1 hour, this one right here. So that's what I'm expecting. Let's see if I can get the setup, and let's see what happens. Okay, so I took the short here, and my stop is here, just a little bit below the high of the day. Ideally, the stop should be above the high, but I use one more contract. That was a mistake for me. That makes me put the stop like that. The target is here in this week above the low of this rally to the downside, and to me it's better if they are here and not in the low, because that's like halfway to the low, so that's a good thing for me. To me it's easier to get this target instead of waiting for the price to touch the low, right? So the target for me there, it's okay. So let me show you why I took this trade, and I want to show you first the 15 minutes. So if you can see, we have this green candle touching this inversion fair value gap in that's pink, and then touching this fair value gap in yellow. So we see that the price gets to those areas, and then we have rejection. Then we have another candle which is rejected and is closing below this inversion fair value gap, and also this fair value gap and inversion fair value gap here. So that's why I took the trade. Also, if I go to the 1 minute, show it to you, we have this movement right here that I already explained to you here, and if we measure the retracement, we're touching this fair value gap right here, which is above the 75% area of retracement. Remember that I also mentioned that these areas right here with consecutive candles of the same color, they are areas where the price is let's say is attracted to, right? So if we have this percentage of retracement, which is 75% in the Fibonacci, and also we have a fair value gap in an area like this, we can say that it's an area that the price will reach, and also can be rejected. Also, we have the price taking this liquidity here, this buy side, and also if we take the Fibonacci and use it in the whole movement from the high of the day to here, we also see that we have a 75% retracement, which is also good, and it's a good area of confluence of different zones of price that are interesting, and that's why I took the trade. Okay, so I saw this green red candle here, and this one with a lot of energy. So when price touched this fair value gap here, here from here to here, that's where I decided to enter. Now let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get a movement to the downside and get a winning trade to start the day. Okay, so I got stopped out, as you can see here in the stop. So to me, it's learning in the sense that I normally, if you see, my trades are normally in this movement right here, this movement to the downside, my trades are there. So to me, trying to take another short here is not normal. So maybe that's why I'm not used to take this type of trades. Also, if you see the hour, we still have 30 minutes to the final hour of trading. So maybe that's why this price action went to the upside, took some buy side, and then during the last hour of trading from 3 to 4 New York hour, we can see another retracement to the downside. Another thing that I'm seeing here, and also that I told you, is that we are we expect that we're targeting this sell side. So once we reach that sell side, which is the 1 hour fair value gap, maybe price wanted to go to the high and take the liquidity there. And also, if you can see here in the 1 hour, we have this green candle touching this fair value gap, which is the one that I already told you that price maybe will want to reach in this retracement. And the close of this candle is above this fair value gap and also above this little fair value gap right here. So that's a sign that maybe price wanted to go up. I completely missed it, and that's something that I need to work on. So also another area important is the 50% of this fair value gap, and maybe that's the area that finally we're gonna create the high of the day, and maybe we want to try to go down in a deeper retracement from that area. Okay, so that's what happened today. A losing trade to start the week, no problem. We still have 4 days to overcome this one and to create better numbers for me. Okay, so that's it for today, and see you next time.